Good morning, my dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine in your homes. As you all know, we are in the lockdown period. As you know that from yesterday, Modi ji said to us that now the lockdown period will be up to 3rd of May. So be in your homes, stay in your homes, stay safe and stay. If you will be safe, then your family and society will be safe. As you all know that we have started our classes in other subjects, you are getting work, but I have not given you work up to now. So from today onwards we will start our classes. So first we will start our class from chapter 2. The chapter 2 is polynomial. I have sent you PDF in your groups. So you will see that PDF and question answers on that only. And if you have books, then that's very good. So see in your books only. Chapter 2 polynomial. In polynomial, before reading the polynomial, we will read two terms. That is consonants and constants and variables. Variable are x, y, z. Anything can become in the category of variables whose value are not fixed, because they are not giving us value. We are supposing it, let it will be x. At last we are calculating it. You know it. In class 8 you have done such type of questions also. Constants whose value are fixed. Our natural numbers, whole numbers, they all are coming in the category of constants. Now polynomial. A polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and coefficients that involves only the operations of positive, negative, multiplication and non-negative integers, exponents of variables. So you have to keep the things in your mind that a polynomial is an expression है consisting, it consists variables and coefficient is all about constants. So coefficients that involves only the operations. Which operations will come? Positive, negative, multiplication and non-negative integers, exponent of variable. Means the power cannot be in minus. Okay, the polynomial is that where we will find the power of variable is positive, not negative. See the example. First example is here: 4x square plus 7x plus 5. 4x square plus 7x plus 5. Here it is a polynomial. Degree of x power is 2 and 1, not negative. So yes, it is a polynomial. See the second one example: x cube plus 5x5 upon x square. If we will write it, so we will write that is in the form of x cube plus 5x to the power minus 2, and x की power minus x to the power is coming in minus. Therefore it is not a polynomial. Okay, the polynomial is an expression consist variable and coefficients, and the operation that involves on it are positive, negative, multiplication and non-negative integers, exponents of variables. Got it? Now we will see. Let's start with the polynomials. So there are polynomial. First we will read about that. We are saying polynomial, how many terms are there? Okay, so we will start it with the monomial and binomial. Monomial, one term. In monomial there are only one terms, like x, y, z. I have mentioned here x square 2x. See, if you will say that ma'am there are three variables, but in between of that there is no positive and negative sign. So we can say that x, y, z is one. They have only one term, so it means it is monomial. Monomial in which you will get only one term, like x, y, z, x square 2x. Binomial. Binomial is all about that in which two terms. Bi means two, mono means one. Monomial means one term, binomial means two term. in which two terms will come, that is known as binomial. In which one term, binomial are just as I have written here, x plus 5, y square plus y, t plus z. They will come in the category of binomial. Two terms are there. Monomial, in which one terms, and if more than two terms are there, so it will come in the category of polynomial. It will come in the category of polynomial. Now we will talk about the exercise. Exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1, the first question is that they are saying number of variables. Tell them that how many variables are there and they have only one variable or not. So let's check it first. Number of variables, x square plus 5x plus 7. If you will see on that only x is a variable in this equation, so that example is a example of one variable. If we will see the second one, 3x square plus 5y square plus z, so in that equation three variables are there. Three variables are there, x, y and z. That's why we are writing three variables. See the next one, x plus y. Two different variables are there, so two variables are there. Okay, how many variables are there? Two variables. So in this that is in question number 1, they are asking to you also that how many, which of the following expressions are in polynomials in one variable. They are asking to you that in which polynomial they have one variable. So you will see if they have one variable, so you will write that only one variable is there. If they have more than one variable, so no, they don't have one variable, they have more than one variable. After that, the coefficient of variables. Coefficient means which will come in the multiply. If you will see these equations here, in the multiply of x square, nothing is there. It means 1. So coefficient of x square is here 1. Here 5x, coefficient of x is plus 5. Here 7 is constant. See the next one, 3x square. Coefficient of x square is 3. Here coefficient of y square is 5. Here coefficient of z is 1. See the next one, coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is 1. In second question they are asking to you that write down the coefficient of x square. See, I have written some examples here. X square plus 7x plus 5. So coefficient of x square in that expression is 1 and coefficient of x is 7. See the next one, 3y minus 5 square plus 1. So coefficient of y square is minus 5. What is here? Minus 5. So I will write coefficient of y square is equal to minus 5. And coefficient of y, see here, coefficient of y is 3. So what will come? 3. Coefficient of y is equal to 3. Okay. So that is the first question. Second question. And after that, so let's start is degree of polynomials. See the first example. X square y square plus 2y cube plus 5. As you all know, first we will add the powers of for one term. Here one term is x square y square. So 2 plus 2, 4. Here y cube means 3. And here nothing is there. It means 0. Okay. So what is the maximum power? 4. So degree of this polynomial is 4. Degree of the polynomial is 4. Now see the second one. X square plus 5. See now. Here the maximum power is 2. The degree of that polynomial is 2. Here see y plus 7. Here the degree of y is maximum is 1. The degree of the polynomial is 1. Got it? These are the degrees. Okay. And those who have degree 1. Those who have degree 1, they are known as linear polynomial. They are known as linear polynomial. Those who have degree 2, they are known as quadratic polynomial. They are known as quadratic polynomial. Okay. Those who have degree 3, they are known as cubic polynomial. They are known as cubic polynomial. I think so you got it. Degree 1 is linear, degree 2 is quadratic and degree 3 is cubic. Okay, and degree is the maximum power of the variables. And if in one term there are 3 variables, 2 variables, so what we will do, we will add the powers of that variable, then we will take out the maximum power of the polynomial. I think so you got it. So I am sending you, as I told you, PDF. So you will do exercise 2.1. That is your homework for today also. All the best. Goodbye. Stay in your home. Stay safe and be quarantined. Okay. All the best, bacha. Daily I will take your class. Okay.